Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Polygon Matic. If you guys are interested in Polygon Matic or you hold Polygon Matic, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video before we get started. A 63.49% increase in the last 24 hours alone. Polygon has been doing insane things. If we actually take a look at all of the prices across the board, give it a quick refresh. Polygon was in that 24-hour, top 24-hour span for quite some time. Maker now finally taking it over. Polygon's been one of those coins that recovers very, very quickly. It has such a dynamic, really part and utility behind it. What it does for Ethereum is massive, and exactly why we see these increases in recovers really taking place. We have a lot of news and really Polygon information to talk about today, so we will deep dive into that, but I want to talk first about what Polygon does. So if you guys don't know what Polygon is, Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using Layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So there's a lot about Polygon that people love, specifically Mark Cuban. So actually, we had Sam Ramirez, it looks like, asked, when will Lazy.com support Zed run horses? And Mark Cuban's response, when Polygon connectivity is done, hopefully soon. So a lot of people talking about this. A lot of people understand now that Mark Cuban has Polygon on really on the table. He's looking at it. He's observing it. He's waiting for it to actually get through the connectivity. A lot of people are talking about really why Polygon is going to continue to be so valued. And I can't say it enough. I think Polygon is one of those coins that will continue to be very, very undervalued because a lot of people don't understand that there's so much left in this huge pump. A lot of people look at the last month and see that there's still a 293% increase even with this massive dip. So we must not have much left in the tank, and I'm going to tell you guys that is very, very wrong. I do think we're going to get back to that $2.83 Polygon without a doubt. It's just going to be a matter of time. We continue to see Polygon do very, very well. Obviously, in the last 24 hours, the only time we see a decrease is in the last week, with obviously the market really dipping down or crashing very hard. Polygon's doing a great job right now. A 293% increase in the last month, like I said, pushing its volume in the last 24 hours up to $6.3 billion. That is a massive amount of volume for Polygon, obviously with a market cap of only $9.2 billion. If we take a look at more on the table, we also see altcoin day trading madness, 100% rebound in hours for Polygon and Maker. Like I said, Polygon and Maker have been really hogging that top gainer spot in the last 24 hours. A lot of people talking about these two as they continue to do very, very well on this recovery period, recording over 100% growth amid a strong market bounce. We also take a look at some of their tweets. They talk about our next project on Project Spotlight is Neon District RPG, a highly interactive RPG with more than 3,000 daily active users. So obviously, the partnership between Polygon and Neon District is huge. Obviously, we talk about all of these, partnerships and really integrations that Polygon does. This one being a large one, and they talk about it quite a bit on the Twitter itself. So if you guys aren't following me or Polygon on Twitter, make sure to quickly jump into the description of this video, click the Twitter link, you'll follow me, and then jump into Polygon and follow them because they tweet quite a bit and they give you great information about what Polygon's all working on and some of the big news and information coming out with Polygon. So definitely a great concept here to continue to grab big partnerships. We also talk about, yes, you got that right, we've been busy cooking up something with Polygon. More news coming soon, so stay tuned. So Just Bet Official, obviously another partnership with Polygon that they've been talking about. Big things coming soon with Polygon. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what comes soon. Obviously, big news coming, and that's going to really help push Polygon as well as Just Bet up through these, new price values, hopefully. So we've talked about a lot of Polygon integrations and partnerships in the past. Nothing too crazy yet this morning on Monday, but do remember, guys, we're very early in the week. I'm sure there's going to be a lot to come, and that's exactly why we do daily updates on Polygon. We'll continue to keep you guys really up to date with the new partnerships and integrations as soon as they come out. So make sure, like I said, to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. We're going to quickly jump into Polygon's website right now. We're going to talk a little bit about why Polygon's so undervalued, and then we're going to jump into price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So make sure to stick around for that. So it talks about the first thing we see is actually Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. So they talk about Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building, connecting, Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem built by developers for developers. So Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a full-fledged multi-chain system. Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchains like high gas fees and slow speeds without sacrificing on security. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, and Cosmos, Avalanche, etc., but with at least 3 major upsides. This talks about it is able to fully benefit from Ethereum's network effects. It is inherently more secure and it is more open and powerful. They talk about the challenge obviously being, Ethereum is that blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations. This includes low throughput, poor UX, or really delayed POW finality, as well as no sovereignty. So the solutions, obviously, Polygon has solutions for this exactly. They have the Polygon, one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing really custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages within Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular optional as security as a service, adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks as well. If you go down to the features, there's a lot of features that Polygon really provides to the user, and that's exactly what you want to see. You see built by developers for developers, including ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and modularity. They also talk about all the projects that they support. So they have a bunch of projects in their Polygon architecture. This includes Polymarket, Avagachi, Decentral Games, SportsX, EasyFi, and Neon District that we just talked about. So some massive projects that are doing big things. And obviously, if you go down a little bit deeper, you can see the About Us. So they talk about Sandeep as well as the rest of the team. And there's so much to really dig into there. This team is a special one at the very least. I'll say that they have great ideas on the table, and I think what they're doing here is going to change the cryptoverse as a whole, and I think it's very, very exciting. Polygon's been one of those coins for a while now that has so much utility behind it, so much need for it, that I think it's going to continue to really see great price values. So jumping back to Polygon, I want to give it a quick refresh, see where we're at now. Still around that $1.50 mark, seeing a 63.83% increase in the last 24 hours. I do think we will continue to see some great things come out of Polygon in the next couple months and years. For the most part, Polygon's going to continue to have an uptrend. It's just one of those coins, like I said, that has so much value. So let's jump into price predictions for May, June in 2021. Before we get started, I do want to say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But I want to say, guys, there's great opportunity, when there's great fear like this. A lot of people selling and giving great, entry points to a lot of these coins that are going to be around for some time now. You don't always have to buy the exact bottom to find a good entry point. You're never going to know exactly what the bottom is. So we could have the next bottom being, even past this 87-cent range. We could see it go below that. We could see it go, higher than this for the next upcoming, months, and this could be the best price point you could possibly get if you're looking to buy in. So there's a great opportunity when there's, great fear. So just take that in mind, or keep that in mind, I should say. So the first month of May, let's talk about where we could see Polygon rising too. So by the end of May, I do think Polygon will make its way back to $2 as long as we don't have insane market dips or market crashes, I should say. I think Polygon's one of those coins, like I said, that's very undervalued still. $2 should be the price point by the end of May. Going into the end of June, I think we will continue to see Polygon do very, very well, pushing its way closer and closer to about a $3 price point. $3 by the end of June is still my price prediction. I think we do bounce back. There is a part 2 of this market bull run coming, in my opinion. We'll see what really takes place. It may take longer than that to really start to get these prices pumping again, and that's definitely okay if it does. By the end of the year, I still suspect Polygon will be right around that $8 to $10 range. I think there's so much value still left in Polygon. A lot of people don't know about the utility that it provides, and that's exactly why $8 really as a price target is not too far away for me, and that's going to be a conservative, realistic price target for me. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price predictions and price targets, as well as let me know, remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. But like I said, guys, remember to like, subscribe, turn notifications on this video specifically. I really do appreciate all the awesome support. You guys are awesome. We're getting closer and closer to that 1,000, or I shouldn't say 1,000, 100,000 subscriber mark. So thank you guys so much. Couldn't have done it without you. I'll see you guys all in the next one.